Hello everyone and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be doing a pretty simple one for you guys, and that's showing you how to replace the license plate lights in a really any 2009 to 2014 F-150, and more than likely some of the earlier ones from that as well. Pretty much any Ford that uses the old Ford license plate lights of that era. The reason I'm doing this, I'm replacing them with LED bulbs. These aren't going to be too much brighter, these particular ones, than the stock ones. A little bit, but not too much. The main reason is to match the color of these bulbs with all the other LEDs that I have on the outside of my 2011 Raptor. I'm going to be doing this on that truck. I have an aftermarket bumper that uses the original lights, so it's a fairly similar process for any stock truck, but we'll go over that whenever we get back to the back side of the truck, and it should only take us a couple minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and run over to the back of the truck over there and show you how we pull apart the light assembly, how you get the bulbs out, and how you put these new ones in. Alright, so we're here in the back of the truck now, and I'm filming from the passenger side just because this is my easiest access. And our bulb is right here. So this, like I said, is an aftermarket rear bumper. Your stock one is going to come kind of down and around and under. So you're going to have to come more from up behind over here to get to this. But this is this bumper actually makes it a little bit easier for me to show you the process. And one thing to note too, I have the spare tire out here, or out of here as well, because I'm swapping that out at the moment. So got plenty of access. You shouldn't need to drop the spare tire to do this. You can reach up and around and be able to do it, no problem. But all you really need to do is grab this bulb socket right here and twist and turn counterclockwise to get it loose. Unfortunately, mine is a little stuck. So I've encountered this on plenty of other vehicles in the past. The easy way around it is to take some slip joint pliers, not too tight, and just give it a nice little bit of a turn like that. It's because those O-rings, seals, whatever you want to call them, stick, and there we go. So that is the stock bulb. All we need to do is pull this guy out and stick the new one in. There may be some polarity sensitivity on LED bulbs. There is polarity sensitivity on LED bulbs. There may be on these ones, I'm not sure. But I am going to go ahead and pull this out, stick the new one in, and turn it on. And I'll show you kind of the side-by-side 50-50 comparison between the two as well, so you can see why we want to do this aesthetically. So we'll go ahead and get this installed, and I'll show you what the half-finished product looks like. All right, so here we are from up above the truck, and I'm just showing you what the lights look like this way. You can see that's the nice new white light. And then we go over to the darker and dimmer incandescent light. I would show you on my license plate, but it doesn't show up very well in the lit garage, so unfortunately I can't really demo that for you. But you can see a definite difference there, and you can see the little bit of additional brightness that the white light gives you as well, so definitely worth doing. Like I said, super quick video, super quick modification. Definitely highly recommend it if you are switching over to LEDs on the outside of your truck, for sure. These Raptors came with a lot of LED lights from the factory. It makes sense to me to just swap everything over to that. But teach their own, take your pick. But like I said, definitely recommend it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Take care.